How to use Elgato Game Capture HD60 Nintendo Switch. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to set up your Elgato Game Capture HD60 with a Nintendo Switch to start recording or streaming your gameplay. It's simple, quick, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to go. Step 1. Connecting everything. Plug your Nintendo Switch into the dock. Connect an HDMI cable from the Switch dock to the Elgato's HDMI in. Take another HDMI cable and connect Elgato's HDMI out to your TV or monitor. Then, use the USB cable to connect the Elgato to your PC or laptop. Step 2. Install and set up the software. Go to elgato.com and install the Game Capture HD software. Open the software. It should automatically detect your Switch. If not, click the settings gear and set the input to Nintendo Switch. Step 3. Start recording or streaming. To record gameplay, just press the red record button. To stream, log into your Twitch or YouTube account through the software settings and go live. Quick tips. Make sure your Switch is fully docked. Use a monitor with game mode to reduce lag. Avoid using USB hubs. Plug directly into your PC. And that's it. This was the quick tutorial on how to set up your Elgato Game Capture HD60 with a Nintendo Switch. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.